So I've been avoiding doing this for a really long time. We're going to declutter my entire collection. When my business failed, it already felt like a huge personal loss. And then not long after, I lost both my dogs. Some of you might remember, Halo and Benny. It was the worst year of my life. Some of these drawers became something hard to look at, something I didn't want to think about. So it's not really just about the products here, it's everything I associated with that time of my life. But I am in a different place now, and so today feels like a really big step forward. So I'm going to get started on this declutter of this orange and pink drawer. I already know I'm going to keep my nail career education, and I have a few favorites in here that I will swatch and show you guys, like Coral Sunrise. I need that one. So I'm gonna keep like a couple of my favorites. While I rebuild my collection, I want to make sure I have a rounded color selection. Okay, so these are the orange ones I'm gonna keep. And then I have a big pile here that I'm not keeping. I'm shocked at how much is here. I didn't actually realize I had so much. I'm excited to clear out some product. This is what I think I'm going to keep. This is stuff I can't open or is contaminated. Okay, so right now I'm at my keep pile, which appears to be too large. I don't think that this will all fit in one drawer, so I might have to still downsize that. And then this is all the other. Such a big fill of my drawers I wasn't using. It feels like such a big waste. There's so much product here. It's enough to help a few nail techs, so hoping I can send this out to a few people in town. It feels really good to pass this on instead of letting it just sit here. There's quite a few colors that I am saving that I really, really love and will be perfect for my overall collection. I'm keeping what makes sense now and not just keeping everything. This feels really good to do. I'm excited to rebuild my collection with intention this time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this declutter video. Just so you guys know, this is actually only part 1. I'm going to be doing a full declutter of the rest of my whole collection next video. So if you guys are new here, make sure that you guys subscribe. I have a new series coming in 2026. There might be one coming before. So 2025, 2026, it is a new product review and swatch series, and it's going to be really in-depth, and new products are already on the way to share with you guys, and I'm really, really excited. In part 2, we're going to tackle all this gels. A lot of these are expired, these are discontinued, so we're going to do all of those. We're going to do glitters, we're going to do chromes, and we're going to reorganize and get rid of all my dry polish, everything, and declutter part 2 is coming next. So I hope you guys stay for that, and I will see you in part 2. Bye!